Hi viewers, good morning. This is Umarani Purushothaman welcoming you to the story page in English. Today I am going to tell you a story. There is a proverb, what you sow you reap, right? So the story revolves around that. This is about a woman doing chapati and a hunchback beggar and a small boy picking rags. Okay, I will tell you the story now. There was a woman by name Subhashini, and every day, she'll be doing chapati, and she'll be reminded of her son who has been lost for many years. So she will think that she must do something good, because she was a strong believer that if you do good, good will come back to me. Okay, that is true, right? So she will do chapati, and she isn't very rich also. She belongs to a very poor family. So whenever she does chapati, she will leave one chapati near the staircase, so that some beggar, they will come eat and then they will bless her. Definitely she thought that the blessing will help her to get back her son. Okay, what happens is, after some time, every day one hunchback beggar, that lady will come. She will pick that chapati, and she will whisper something. She will try to hear what she is whispering. You know what she will say? She will not have any gratitude or thank her. She will say, evil will remain with you, good will come back to you. She will say like that, and she will go. She will get angry. What is this? I am doing, good for her. How she can curse like this and go like that, she will think. But then also she will think, okay, whatever she says, let me do good. If I do good, definitely God will do good for me. That confidence was there in her. So every day she'll be giving that, leaving that chapati. Every day that hunchback woman, she will come. Every day the same dialogue, bad will come back to you, good will, no, I'm sorry, evil will remain with you, evil will remain with you, good will come back to you. The same word she will go and go. One day she will think, I'm not giving chapati for her, but the inner feeling will say, no, 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 do good, definitely your son will come. Like that, that inner feel will say. So she will leave a chapati again, and after some point of time, somebody will knock the door, and she will open the door. So happy she will be to see her son, but she will cry, because her son will be in all torn clothes he'll be wearing, and he'll be having all that waste bag he'll be carrying. She will cry like anything, and then that boy will say, Ma, don't cry, I think you have been doing something good, that is why I have returned back, otherwise I would have died. Like that the boy will say. She will ask, what happened? Then he will say, I have been working somewhere, but I was not happy with that job. Then I thought I will come back to our home. So when coming back, I didn't get any food, Ma, so I couldn't eat. I was so tired, I fell down, and one lady, she woke me up. And that lady, she had a hunchback. She said, she will give me some food. So she used to give me daily chapati. She will give ma. She sacrificed for her, and she used to give me food. That chapati only made me to live so long. Like that he will say. Then she will remember what that old hunchback lady said. Yes, I am telling you, if you do good, definitely, maybe immediately you are not getting the benefit. A point of time, definitely God will help you. You will get good things, good returns from God. But if you do bad, maybe today they are good, but a day will come for them to suffer. I challenge you, this will definitely happen, which I have seen in my lifetime. So children, I am telling, always, think good for others. Don't do bad. If you are not able to do good, that is okay, but do not do bad things for others. If you do good, definitely that will come back to you. You will lead a happy life. With this note, I take leave of you. Thank you.